What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm unboxing the SteelSeries Nimbus wireless controller. Let's get right into that. Now before we get started on this unboxing, I just need you guys to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for every time I upload a video, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. I picked up this controller because I really needed something that allows me to play Fortnite and some other games on my iPad Pro, my 2018 iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch version, and I came across this controller and I saw a lot of good reviews on it on YouTube with other reviewers, so I decided to pick one up. So it came up to about $54 and change at Best Buy. And it's only compatible with Apple devices. It's compatible with the iPhone 7, 6, down to the iPhone 5C. It's also compatible with the iPod Touch 5th and 6th generation. Also the iPad Pro, iPad Mini. The controller has a pressure-sensitive D-pad, pressure-sensitive buttons. It's rechargeable with a lightning connector only, which didn't come in the box at all, which was the only dislike I have about this purchase. The lightning connector did not come in the box, and the battery life is also rechargeable up to 40 plus hours, which is very good. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this controller. It feels very good in the hand. It's very comfortable to hold. Feels almost like a Xbox One controller when you're holding it when you're playing games. So I'm going to connect this controller to my iPad Pro, and I'm going to do a little demonstration. I'm going to play some games and also find out what other games this controller is compatible with on the iPad, because this is what I'm definitely going to be using this on, just the iPad. And I'll be uploading that video right after I upload this one. So guys, please subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.